Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you GRW grammar. That should be GRWE. Okay, it's written verbs here. Please take out your book. Okay, thank you so much. Now you can look at page 1. Alright, you can look at page 1. So it's written verbs, right? Today we will be learning about verbs. So, what is a verb? A verb is a word that shows actions. Do you know what is action? So, for example, what am I doing now? I am walking, right? So, walk is the action, okay? How about this one? I'm running, right? Run is an action. How about here? What am I doing? What am I doing now? I am writing, right? So, write is also an action, okay? This is called verb. A verb is a word that shows actions, alright? So, before we start, I'll show you a video of many examples of action, okay? I would like you to learn some action verbs, okay? You can follow the video and do the action, no problem. English sing.
Action verbs.
Walk. You can walk.
Walk.
You can walk like a cat.
Walk.
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 Stomp. You can stomp. You
Stomp.
can stomp like an elephant.
Stomp.
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 Waddle. You can waddle.
Waddle.
You can waddle like a duck.
Waddle.
Waddle. Waddle.
Waddle.
Stand. You can stand. You can stand. You can stand like a flamingo. Stand.
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 Run. You can run. You can run like a cheetah.
Run.
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 Jump. You
Jump.
can jump.
Jump.
You can jump like a kangaroo. Jump. Jump. Hop.
Hop.
You can hop.
Hop.
You can hop like a rabbit. Hop.
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 Fly. You can fly. You can fly like a butterfly. Fly.
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 Dance.
Dance.
You can dance. You can dance like a bear.
Dance.
Dance. Dance. Climb. You can climb. You can climb like a monkey. Climb.
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 Climb. Oh.
Fart.
Fart.
You can fart.
Fart.
You can fart like a skunk.
Oh.
Fart.
Fart.
Fart. Clap.
Clap.
You can clap. You can clap like a seal. Clap.
clap.
Swim.
Swim.
You can swim. You can swim like a fish.
Swim.
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 Review.
Walk.
This is called walk. Walk. Let's say walk.
Stomp.
Okay, this is stomp. Can you say that? Stomp. Stomp. Stomp.
Waddle.
This is called waddle. Waddle. Waddle.
Stand.
This is called stand. Stand. Stand.
Run.
This is called run. Run. Run.
Jump.
Jump. Okay? Jump. Jump.
Hop.
This is called hop. Hop. Hop.
Fly.
And this is called fly. Fly. Fly.
Dance.
This action is called dance. Dance. Dance.
Climb.
And this action is called climb. Climb. Climb.
Fart.
This action is called fart. Fart. Fart.
Clap.
This action is called clap. Clap. Clap.
Swim.
This action is called swim. 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 Alright, everyone. So these are the examples of verbs. Actually, in this world, there are lots of verbs, alright? So verbs are words that shows action, okay? Just like in your book, page 1, sleep, eat, run, fly, jump, drink. I drink water, right? Drink is an action. Okay, so you'll see some pictures in page 1. Okay, page number 1, you will see 6 pictures. So for each picture, choose a verb from the word bank that is best to describe the action in the picture. Write the word in the blank. Okay, so let's look at the first picture. What is the girl doing? She is, as you can see, she is rope skipping, right? But what action a person like does when he or she rope skip? He or she can jump, right? So the best answer for this picture is jump. Can you write jump here? Jump. Alright? Jump. Remember, this is a verb, okay? Verb. Picture 2. Which verb do you use for picture 2? Look at your book, page 1. 3, 2, 1. Is that fly? Is the boy flying? Or is it run? Yes, the correct answer is run. The boy in the picture is going to run. Run. Okay? The action verb, the verb is run. Okay, picture number 3. Picture number 3, you'll see a girl holding a glass of water, and she's going to drink. Okay, so the action verb for this picture is drink. All right, can you write that? Okay, the rest 3, do it by yourself. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. You do from this to this. So we have used jump, run, and drink. Okay, so can you do the next 3 for me? 1 minute starts now.
Oh.
20 seconds. Okay, time up. So in picture number 4, you see the witch is going to eat, is going to sleep, or is going to fly. Which verb do you use to describe this picture? The action. Which action she's doing? Fly. Okay, fly. Number 5. The boy is... Which action is the boy doing? Sleep or eat? Eat. Smart. That is eat. And the last one, the bear is sleeping. So the action verb is sleep. Alright, check your answers. If you're done, then turn to page 2. Alright, you have to choose the suitable verbs and fill in the blanks. Alright, you have to choose the verb. Remember, what does a verb do? A verb does action. Okay, a verb does action. So let's look at here. Look at the example at page 2. So you have to choose the verbs here and then fill in the blanks. Example. The children fly the kite. The children fly the kite. Which one is the verb here? Fly, right? Fly is the verb. So you cross out fly because you've already used it. The children fly the kites. Okay? Number 1. Look at number 1. The students what the book. The students what the books. What can you do with books? Which action verb goes with the books? Read the book, watch the book, write the book, sing the book, do the book. Which one is it? 3, 2, 1. That should be read. So the action verb for here is read. Read. Okay? Read. Read. Alright, I have done 2 examples with you, right? I'll do 1 more with you, then the rest of it do it by yourself. Okay. The birds, what a song. The birds, What can you do with the song? What can you do with music and all that? The birds sing a song. Okay? The action is sing. Okay? So we have 4 more left, right? So choose the suitable action verb and fill in the blanks. I'll give you 2 minutes, okay? Your 2 minutes starts now. Okay, done. Let's look at page 2, question number 3 to 6. All right. Number 3, I what my homework. What do you do with your homework? Which action verb is best for my homework? Do you cake your homework? I know if you hate your homework, you cake your homework, right? Ride, water, or do? Which one is it? That should be do. I do my homework. I do my homework. All right? I do my homework. Okay? Moving on to number 4. The boys what a ball. The boys, when you play football, what do you do with the ball? Which action verb is it? That should be kick. The boys kick a ball. Kick, right? Kick a ball. All right. Number 5. The girls want a bicycle. Which action goes with a bicycle? So which action do you do with a bicycle? Ride or water? That should be ride, right? The girls ride a bicycle. Ride. Number 6. The farmers what vegetables? That is water. Water the vegetables. Okay? So check your answers. All right, let's move on to page number 3. So, page number 3 is, all you have to do is fill in the crossword. But before that, before looking at this, I would like you to look at this part, okay? The lower part of the book, the lower part of the book, okay? Don't look at here, let's look at here first. So, I would like you to look at each space, okay? Look at each blanks and look at the pictures. And fill in the blanks first, alright? Here, let's look at the section across. Do you know the meaning of across? Across goes like this, just like this direction. Across, okay? Across. It has right in number 2 here. So number 2, the picture shows you the boy is, the action the boy doing is, what is the boy doing? He is running, right? So the action verb for this is I can run, right? Run. So you write run here, but R has been done for you. How to spell run? 3, 2, 1. R-U-N. So you write this one first. Run. Okay? Run. Now let's look at the next picture. You'll see a girl just standing like this. Up, please. So if somebody's sitting down and you want him to, you know, just like this, what is that action called? If you want him or her to move out of his or her sit, you will ask him or her to sit up, please, or stand up, please. Stand up, please, right? How do we spell stand? Stand. That should be ST has been done for you. A-N-D. Okay? Stand up, please. Number 6. Number 6 is I can. Wow. You can see a girl holding a paper with A plus, right? So I can. Which action word starts with W and is related to papers? I can. What can you do? What can you do on a paper? You can write on a paper, right? So the action verb for this picture is write. So how do we spell write? W and then R-I-T-E. Okay, this is how we fill in the blanks. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. Alright, I have done 3 of them with you, right? Can you do the rest of the 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. The section down, okay? This section, the section down. Can you do that for me? I'll give you 2 minutes for that again. Can you fill in the blanks very, very quick for me? Your 2 minutes starts now. One more minute. Okay, time up. Let's look at number 1, the section down. Number 1. What you jump? How do you ask a question when you want to ask someone about the section? What you jump? That should be can you jump? Okay. But do you think can is the action? No, okay? Can is not the action. The action here is, which one is the action? Which one is the verb? The main thing. Which one is the verb here? That should be jump, okay? Jump is the verb. The verb jump is a verb. Understand? V is means verbs. Number 2. I can what? What can you do with books? With storybooks or books? You can read. The action verb goes for this picture is read. Alright? Number 3. You'll see a girl. What is she doing? What down? That should be sit down. The action verb here is sit. Okay, sit is the action verb. How about number 2? Which one is the action verb here? The verb here is read. Okay. Number 4. I think that's a chicken, right? In picture 4. What is the chicken doing in the picture? Which verb do you use to describe this picture? I can dance, right? How do we spell dance? D-A-N-C-E. Dance. Okay? Number 5, you will see a fox holding a microphone, right? What is he going to do with the microphone? The fox can sing. Alright. So we have done this part. Okay, let's find out the action verb. Just like I found it here for you, right? Now it's time for you to find the action verb. I can run. Which one is the verb here? 3, 2, 1. The verb here is run. Right? Okay, number 3. Section across. Number 3. Stand up, please. Which one is the action here? The action here is stand. Okay? Stand is the action. Across, section across, number 6. I can write. Which one is the action here? The verb. Which one is the verb? The main thing is the verb. Verb. Which one is the verb here? A verb does action, so the verb is write. Okay? So I find this for you, right? Jump, read, and sit. Okay, section down, number 4. I can dance. Which one is a verb in this sentence? The verb here is dance. Dance is the verb because it does action, right? The fox can sing. Number 5. The fox can sing. Which one is the verb here? Which verb that shows action? 1, 2, 3. That should be sing. Okay. So we have fill in the blanks, right? Now it's time for you to fill in the crosswords. Let's look at the section across. Across means the direction goes here. So across number 2. Let's look at the direction across and 2. That should be here, right? 2 and 2. So which action verb is here in 2? I just underline it. Which one is it? Run, right? So across number 2. Across number 2. You're right. Run. In the crossword. Understand? Okay, I hope you understand. Let's look at number 3, across number 3, okay? Across number 3. Stand up, please. The action verb here is, I just underline it for you, that is stand, right? So you're right. Across number 3, stand. You write here the action verb, okay? The verb, stand. You fill it in, okay? Stand. Stand. All right. Across number 6. Across number 6 should be over. Sorry, that should be over here, right? So across number 6, I can write. The action is in front of you. That is write, right? So you write right on across number 6. Right. Understand? So we have done this, we have done this, we have done this. Now it's for you to do the section down, okay? Look at each action verb, okay? And then fill in the crossword that goes like this, okay? All right, let me tell you. Number 1, you don't have to fill in the action verb here. You have to fill in the words. You just fill in here, okay? So, you fill in can, right? You fill in this one, can. So you write can here. C-A, okay? C-A-N. Okay? The rest of it, you fill it in by yourself. 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? You can fill it in. I'll give you. Is 1 minute enough? 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. All right, time up. So Number 2, I can read. You fill in the blanks, read, right? So down, number 3 should be read. Okay? Read. We're done with this, we're done with this. Number 3, sit down, right? Sit down. You fill in the blanks, sit. The word you fill it in is sit, the action verb. This is an action verb. So down, number 3 is here, sit. S-I-T. Sit. All right? Sit. Number 4, I can dance. You fill in the word dance, right? You fill in the verb dance. So you write dance. Number 4 here. Dance. Okay? Dance. The last one. How do you read this? Sing. Right? Sing. So you write the action verb here. Sing. Alright? Please check your answers. Before we move on to the next part, let's do some exercise that is related to action verbs, alright? Okay, so here is a picture, right? Here is a picture. Here are some pictures. I would like you to match the correct action verbs that you see, alright? So let's do it. Okay, so the first action verb you see here is walk, right? Walk. Which picture is suitable for walk? Which one is it? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. That should be this one? No. Which verb goes with the picture walk? Which picture is it, sorry? That should be this one, alright? Walk. The action verb is called walk. Okay? Walk. Alright, the second action verb is run. Okay, this is a verb. So which picture is the best to describe the action run? Which picture is it? 3, 2, 1. That should be this one or this one. Yes, this boy over here. The action he is doing is called run. Alright? Run. Run. Okay. Verb number 3. How do we read this? Play, right? Play. Which picture is the best to describe the action verb play? Which picture is it? Which picture is it? Which picture is best to describe the action verb play? Can you see a boy playing with his toys? Yeah? Which one is it? Is he here? No. This boy goes for a run. Is it here? Yes. The action verb we use to describe this picture is play. Alright, the next one. Read. Read. This is called read. So which picture goes with the action verb read, everyone? That should be this, or this, or this. She's not reading, okay? That should be this. The action she's doing is called read, okay? Read. Okay. The next one. How do you read this word? Write, right? Write. Which picture is best to describe the action write? Which action is it? Right. Sorry, the action is right, right? Which picture is best to describe the action write? That should be over. Is it here? Yes. Right. All right, the next one. Jump, right? The action jump. Which picture is best to describe the action jump? Is there any picture related to jump here? Yes, where is it? Is she jumping? No, right? So it should be this one. Jump. Okay, the last one. Talk, right? Which picture is best to describe talk? That should be the girl that is on the telephone, right? She has to talk. Talk. Okay? So we are done with this little exercise. Let's turn to page number 4. We have to read and we have to do some classwork as well. So our topic for comprehension today is my sunflower. So do you know how sunflowers look like? This is how sunflower looks like. Let me show you a clear big picture maybe. I think this is big enough. Oh yeah. So this is a picture of sunflower. Okay? This is a picture of sunflower. Sunflower. Okay? This is called sunflower. Sunflower. Okay. Sunflower. So our topic for today's comprehension is sunflower. Page number 4. All right. Let's read page number 4 together. Okay. Let's read. My sunflower. This spring, I plant a tiny seed. It is a sunflower seed. I put it in the dirt. I water it every day. The seed grows into a tiny green plant. It grows and it grows. The little sunflower seed grows into a big plant. It has a tall green stalk. Tall green stalk. It has pretty yellow petals. These are the petals. These are called the petals. Very beautiful, right? Petals. Yellow petals. Okay. My sunflower is now taller than I am. Okay. So we have read this little paragraph. Can you find the verbs for me? Can you find the verbs for me? And I would like you to underline the verbs. Okay? Underline the verbs like this. Okay? Underline the verbs like this. Underline, draw a line to the verbs. Alright, let's look at the paragraph. This spring, I plant a tiny seed. Which one is the action? I plant, right? So plant is the action. Can you underline plant for me? Plant. The verb plant. Alright? Plant. It is a sunflower seed. I put it in the dirt. I put it in the dirt. Which one is the action? Which one is the verb here? The action verb here is put. So you underline the verb put. Okay? Put. I water it every day. Which one is the action verb here? The action verb here is water. Right? Water. So just like that, can you find 1, 2? Can you find 4 more action verbs for me? Wow. Okay, 1 minute starts now. No need 1 minute. 30 seconds is enough for you to find. It's very easy. And the funny thing is, the action verbs are the same. Okay, time up. Alright, we stopped till here, right? The seed grows into a tiny green plant. Which one is the action verb here? The seed grows. So grows is the action. Okay. It grows and it grows. Wow. 2 more action verbs here, right? Grows. Grows is an action. Just like you. You grow, right? Every year there's a birthday of you comes and then you grow. You grow up, right? The little sunflower seed grows. Again, wow. Grows into a big plant. It has a tall green stalk. Here is an action verb. Here's an action verb, which is has. Has is also an action. You have something. Okay? Remember, for I, you, we, they, we use have, right? And for he, she, it, we use has. You have learned that. Okay? Has is also a verb. Again, it has pretty yellow petals. My sunflower is now taller than I am. Okay. Now, look at here. You have to answer the questions completely. Alright? You have to answer the questions in complete sentences. So, we have read the whole paragraph twice, right? Let's look at page 4 and find out the answer. What do I plant in the spring? What do I plant in the spring? So as you can see in the first line, you see this spring I plant a tiny seed. Look at your book, okay? This spring I plant a tiny seed. So The thing I plant is tiny seed, right? Tiny seed. So the subject I comes first, okay? Plant, the action. I do the action, right? I plant. Look at the paragraph, you will know. I plant a tiny seed. The thing I plant is tiny seed, right? I plant a tiny seed in this spring. So can you just write it down? In this spring. Okay? Spring. I plant a tiny seed in the spring. Where do I put the seed? Where do I put the seed in? So this spring I plant a tiny seed. It's a sunflower seed. I put it in the dirt. Where do I put the seed in? Where is it? It's a sunflower seed. I put it in the dirt. Oh, the answer, you can find it. The answer is I put the seed. I put the seed in, just like the paragraph. I put the seed in the dirt. I put the seed in the dirt. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3. What's the color of sunflower? What's the color of sunflower? Now you tell me what's the color of sunflower. Tell me in 30 seconds. Come on. Your turn. 30 seconds starts now. Ten seconds. Okay, number 3. What's the color of sunflower, right? So the color is in front of you. The sunflower, the color is, it says it grows and it grows. The little sunflower seed grows into a big plant. It has tall green stalk. It has pretty yellow petals, right? So the color of the sunflower is yellow. Full sentence, remember, okay? What's the color of the sunflower? The color of sunflower is yellow. So just copy the color of sunflower. The color of sunflower is yellow. The color of sunflower is yellow. All right? Okay. Number 4, you do it by yourself. I'll give you 1 minute and I'll check the answers with you. Okay? Alright, done. So number 4. Is the sunflower tall or short? As you can see in your paragraph, it says, write in, my sunflower is taller than I am. So number 4, is the sunflower tall or short? The right answer is the sunflower is tall or short? You got it. That is tall. Okay? The sunflower is tall. Okay, check your answers. So if you're done with this, we are going to end the lesson soon. Okay, so everyone, today you have learned verbs, right? You have learned verbs. What does a verb do? A verb does action, right? It shows you the action. Just like here, jump, run, drink, fly, eat, sleep, walk, read, write, right? So we have learned many different kinds of verbs today, right? I would like you to do revision on that, and I'll see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.